Wait! Out of my face! Oh my God! Out of my way! Over the fence! Over the... Get a box! You'll never get me! What?
Animal lovers everywhere cheered today when Dr. Herman Varnick and 2 associates were indicted on 123 counts of animal abuse. The Newton family of Valley Vista.
You know, I had no choice but to do what I did. Beethoven is not just some dog that wandered in off the street. He's a member of our family, and we love him very much.
Good night, honey. Good night, Beethoven.
Good night, Spark.
Good night, Sally.
Good night, Lacey.